CGC Lighting and Interiors. On this video I want to introduce to you the Tulul bamboo lampshade range. It's part of our bamboo and natural lampshades. We've got quite a few different designs, different shapes, sizes. Basically the Tulul is a handmade bamboo natural lampshade. It comes in two different sizes. We have a 56cm size and an 80cm size. I'll show you the 56cm size first. As you can see, it has a round but waved shape. Very nice design, hand weaved. It has the central hole which fits an E27 lamp holder. It also comes complete with the B22 size reducer ring. In the UK, there's two main different types of pendants. You've got your E27, which is the screw type, which fits this hole that's pre-made. And there's an older style, B22, which is for bayonet type pendants. If you've got one of those, then you'll use the reducer ring that just clicks inside here, and that'll fit perfectly for your B22 pendant. Just to show you some scale on the size, 80cm really is a large lampshade. The beautiful design again with the curved sides, really delicate weaving throughout. Now the beauty with these is, as I've mentioned, you can upgrade your existing lampshade really quickly and really easily. If you've got an existing pendant in place, you can do it yourself within minutes. Just remove your old shade and then you can have one of these beautiful shades. Just show you. This is an E27 pendant. We do also sell a range of E27 pendant kits like this, in different finishes, different cord colours. They come with a 1.2 metre cord, which is adjustable. So basically you can have it hanging up to 1.2 metres, or you can easily reduce it by just pulling the cord back through the base, and that reduces to your desired length. I'll show you how easily it is to fit these now. The B27 goes straight into this hole. Natural and handmade, material can get a little bit tight. With a little gentle turn and twist, you can see it fits in perfectly. Just twist it all the way in. And that's a perfect fit there. Just fit the ring on the other side to secure it. Natural bamboo lampshade. These fit a variety of interiors. If you've got quite a low ceiling or a small room, you can have it quite high because you've got the cut-out pattern. It's quite unobtrusive and delicate. But again, if you've got a larger room, it's quite a substantial fitting. So it's not going to look out of place, and you can obviously hang the cord as high or as low as you want. They also look great if you've got an area where you want to have multiple lampshades in place. If you have a set of these, it looks really fantastic. Now I'll just show you the smaller one, which is the 56cm. Again, really nice lampshade, ideal for bedrooms, kitchens, lounges. And with this pendant, it just takes you any standard E27 screw lampshade. What we suggest with these ones is one of the filament type LED. Obviously, LED very low power consumption, and the filament type bulbs, especially in warm white, give you a really nice traditional type of glow. I'll show you one of those shortly. Okay, so thanks very much for watching. that was an introduction to our Tulul bamboo lampshade series, and they're available to buy directly on www.cgcinteriors.co.uk. If you need any further information, visit our website, give us a call, or drop us an email. We'll be happy to help with any queries you've got. And that's everything. Thank you very much.